Hello guys, my name is Acer Nitro, and in this video we're gonna be upgrading the RAM memory of my Acer Nitro 5 laptop. So as you can see, I have the DDR4 8GB of RAM memory. It has the speed of 2664 MHz and it's also the SODIMM type of the memory. So if you're just looking for the RAM for your Acer Nitro 5, make sure that you're looking for this type of a memory because some other one might not work for you. By the way, in the description you can find a link for the RAM and you'll be sure that it will work with your computer. Now without long link, let me just close my computer and let's just install the RAM on my computer. So make sure that your computer is shut down and there's no any power supply going on. The next thing that you should do is to remove any USB accessories. So I will just remove this little stick. Okay guys, so as you can see, I got my laptop on the desk and I also do have this little blanket here because I don't want to scratch the body of the laptop, so it will just help me to protect the laptop. Now once you're here, you have to flip over your machine in a way like this. And as you can see on both sides, we do have 11 screws here. So now once we are at this point, I will show you the equipment that you need to have to actually upgrade this computer. So you obviously need to have a screwdriver for removing the screws here. For taking away this body, I prefer to have this little thing that allows you to remove the part of the body of your laptop from the bottom. And yes, so I will also link all of the needed equipment for this in the description. Now once you have your all screws removed, you have to take this little plastic tool and you have to unlatch this part of the body from the laptop. So let me just do this. And as you can see here, we got all of the internals of our computer and we'll be just upgrading our RAM, which is here. So let me just flip this computer over and I will just show you how it looks like. The thing that you want to do now is to take your RAM that you got and place it in a place here. And as you can see now, the RAM is installed. Once you're here in the internals, you might also upgrade your SSD drive, so you can just add here another drive if you want. Now once everything is done, let me just put the cover back on the PC. At this point you have to pull all of the hinges into its place. Now let's get all of the screws back on their place. Now let's power up the laptop and see if it's seeing the RAM installed. I want to say that it might take a little bit longer for your computer to boot up because